Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to the Lemon Pipers, and we are going to listen to the song Green Tambourine. This is our first time single take honest reaction to this song.
And even this artist or band.
Yeah, I think first time we are going to listen to the Lemon Pipers.
Let's get started.
Silver in my tambourine, help a poor man build a pretty dream. Give me pennies, I'll take anything. Now listen while I play my green tambourine. Watch the jingle jangle start to shine, reflections of the music that is mine. When you toss a coin, you hear it sing. Now listen while I play my green tambourine. Drop a dime before I walk away. Any song you want, I'll gladly play. Money feeds my music machine. Now listen while I play my green tambourine.
Wow, this was musically so rich.
I know.
Wow, it sounded like a mono recording. Was there something wrong with my headphone? What about you? You heard it on both sides?
I didn't pay attention. I think I heard it in both ears.
Okay, so
Yeah.
then something
Maybe
wrong with
with
my
your,
wiring.
yeah.
I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. I like that sound of the bells.
I
like
know,
the guitar.
different things are playing, then the
I like
pull
the
of something
drums.
and
And then later on, the drums took a totally new sound.
dum, dum, dum.
Wow, this was good. This was good.
Also, there was something like xylophone, those tinkles also were there. A lot of things, different things that
And
were playing.
the guitar sound, the main guitar was little bit like the sitar. Very nice, interesting sound.
And then the tambourine jam, hitting at the end only the tambourine and the drums. It reminded me more of the school days when you practice with almost every. You just want to try out all the instruments that are there in the music room. Something like that. That they tried different things in one go, and they sounded good. It sounded very fascinating and diverse in the ears. Everything sounded good. It was natural, it was kept raw, not very sophisticated I would say, but sounds good to listen to.
Yeah, from little bit that I gathered is that he's very happy when he's doing his own thing. He's creating music, he's performing.
And that's exactly how the sound of the music was.
All the jingle jangle, all the music, the beats, the rhythm. He's very happy when he's doing all that.
A little bit of everything.
He's enjoying himself the most when he's doing things that he loves doing and he enjoys doing. Yeah, and if that is the case, then very well written and well sung.
Yeah, it's also like Rush, Tom Sawyer.
Yeah.
The video, when you see so many things all three of them are doing. Yeah, that was the first thing I think I had seen of Rush. And it was, for me, that was what drew me towards the band, because they were doing so many things, only 3 members. Here it felt like, was it him or a couple of more members, but everything was done by a few people. Not too many.
Yeah, sounded like that. Even ELP.
ELP, yes.
Yeah, but this had a more pure, raw
This had a
sound.
very, very raw.
Sound of the late 50s maybe.
Yeah.
Sounded old, and I heard it in mono, so I don't know.
Okay.
But anyway.
I didn't pay attention. Maybe
Yeah.
mine too. I don't know.
The Lemon Pipers Green Tambourine. Thank you for this wonderful request. These hidden gems that all of you subscribers, patrons, viewers, we don't know who you are most of the time, but we love these requests that you're giving us. And it's very difficult to pick and choose. So we do have a system in place. Usually if we get a lot of requests from different people, or the same request from different people actually, then we of course put it higher up
Give
on
it a
our list,
priority.
because so many different people are requesting this, so maybe there's something to it. And we also give priority to song titles and bands that we already like, or we think it might be interesting to us as counselors, music lovers, teachers. Maybe we like it, so, or Indians also, we think we like it, then it goes higher up on the list. And then finally, when we have time, we pick it up. So this one, purely because it sounded so unique, the Lemon Pipers, the name itself, we thought it would be bagpipes and all that, and then there wasn't any of that though in this one. And then Green Tambourine, so we thought it would be nice, some orchestral band, like big band thing happening. So we put it up, and it turned out to be good, though not what we expected it to be, but that's the beauty of reacting to music for the first time like we do almost every day. Yeah, this was good.
Enoma is one of the rare channels where we do not discriminate among the artists that we react to, no matter where they come from, in which language they may be. But we have given almost every single artist, whether big, small, one-timer, very, very popular global artists, the same kind of respect and same platform.
Yeah, and the proof is in the pudding, as they say, or the proof is in our playlist, or in all the reactions we've done.
Videos.
So, we walk the talk, while other reactors only do the big names, big bands and big
That
songs.
does bring people a lot of views and popularity.
Yeah, of
but
course,
then
of course.
if you're a music reactor,
Of course.
music is music, not
Yeah,
based on
if
popularity.
you do songs, only songs like Bohemian Rhapsody and Stairway to Heaven,
Big wigs.
and only big bands such as Queen and Boston and all these big bands and artists, obviously you'll get a lot more views than we do. And the reactors who focus only on that do get that, and a lot of subscribers too. But at the end of the day, what are you here for? And we know what we're here for. We're here to listen to music.
Especially during,
And especially music like this, hidden
right
gems,
now-
which nobody else is interested in on YouTube. Even finding videos for these things, I think, must be difficult for
Yeah,
our
you never
patrons.
get a recommendation.
For our patrons and long-term subscribers who request gems like this, I think they must be finding it difficult at times to find good videos. Like this one, I think it was low quality. Maybe it was me, I don't usually have bad headphones or wiring problems, but I think this was a low quality recording. But it still sounded so good to me. So we are the only ones who've reacted to more than 1,000 different artists and bands. Simple. I mean, that itself is proof enough of what we do. And we are not looking to give proof, that is why we are here. We're here to listen to diverse music, here to listen to hidden gems, rare songs, rare artists, and we've done that. And we're very proud of that, and we'll keep doing that. And our views may go lower and lower because YouTube, obviously, the algorithms of YouTube doesn't like reactors like us doing all these unknown
Everything
artists
and
and
anything.
bands.
You
They
have
don't
to
like
follow
it. They like
the system.
one genre, or us being like one category of people reacting to it in a particular way, where we don't have that.
We keep jumping.
We are Indian. We love being that way. We love diversity. I feel sad for most people who don't love diversity in life.
I feel sad for so many small artists that may be going through toughest times during the pandemic, because the big people, very popular people with all of their income that they have
Clout.
accumulated
And they
over the
clout.
years, of course all of that, they are not going to die of anything, but the small fish are the ones that suffer a lot, and nobody ever gives a thought about them or anything.
Yeah, I can bet you most people who come on this reaction video, apart from of course the label guys and label workers and big fans of the Lemon Pipers,
Yeah.
most people won't even have a clue who the band
Who they
members
are,
are.
yeah, including me. I don't know who
Even
they
I
are.
don't know at all. I don't even know where they are from. You know, having heard a lot of music, I could guess that they are from the UK, but I don't know for sure. That's the beauty of being in Oma and being so true to our vision and to our purpose, and not really being here only for views and money and likes and comments. We're here for music. Music first.
Music first.